Greetings in the name of Yahusha Mashiach, Melech of Yasharal, Kohen forever, according to the order of Melchizedek. All esteem, honor, and glory unto our Alua, Yahuwah. My name is MELEK Shalomoh. It's MELEK Shelemoth Trading. And right now I'm in the middle of a live analysis here. I'm stalking a trade. This is my setup here. I did a bunch of scalps here. This is an Eval account. I did a bunch of little other trades, and while we were heading up, I took some uptrend trades or some long trades, right? So let's see here. I'm looking for the distribution. We already got the buying climax here. Let's see, where is it? Right, so this would be my buying climax right here at 56.85. Now looking for it to start distributing here at Camarilla R3 for the uptrust. All right, we have plus 2.5 VWAP. This is 3.0 VWAP right there. Those are the upper deviations for the VWAPs, so resistance levels from a volume perspective. And let's see, we have a little distribution going on here. This could be the uptrust. Looking to see if we push above Camarilla R3 and come back in, or start losing it from right here. So we have some liquidity targets at 57.20 and 57.27. Let me just switch over. So this is Trader Map Lite. We have some heavy liquidity targets. Hold on one second. All right, so I'm seeing an initial breakdown here. I'm gonna take this trade right now. Took a short right there. Stop is above, 3 points above. Let's see if we're gonna get a breakdown of 6 points here. And actually, I'm gonna bring it down to this anchored VWAP from a support buying level. If we get to break even, I'll flatten the trade. All right, it's looking good. It's looking like buyers want to push it back up to my break-even point. All right, sellers taking control. Let's see if they maintain. No. So I'm gonna jump out that trade. I thought it was gonna push up right there. So let's see what happens now. We could probably get a retest of these levels right here, or Camarilla R3. So let's see. So a retest of this zone right here, this level, exhaustion could be an entry. We're still pushing back up into this range. Let's see if we push above to the top of this little range right here. All right, looking like a Camarilla R3 retest is incoming. Let's see. So that's Camarilla R3 right there at 5,750. All right, so these levels here are a higher time frame single print. So we're getting into this single print right here. We should probably tag this single print. All right, we tag Camarilla R3. Let's see if we get a pullback. Exhaustion. Yep, that's it right there. Oh man, I didn't have it on my arrow. I had it selected on arrow, so when I hit that, it just put a dot right there. Oh man. Anyway, it's looking like it's giving me another shot here. Let's see. All right, let's take this trade. We have a retest. Didn't really get the exhaustion I was looking for there. This could probably still push back up and stop me out. Let's see, any push above this little auction right here, I should jump out. Or I'll let it come back to Camarilla R3. Give it a little room. All right. Heavy buying going into Camarilla R3. Probably gonna stop me out if it pushes further up. All right, we're seeing signs of exhaustion there. Let's see if sellers take control. And they're not. All right, so I'm gonna jump out this trade. And let's wait, let's see. All right, so we have sellers taking back control. Let's see here. Retest, retest. Any exhaustion? Nope. Still buyers. All right, looking like sellers want to take control. I'll take this trade here. Looks like it's going to stop me out again. Let's see. All right, let's move down to this VWAP. Actually, I want to get to this anchored VWAP here. So let's see if we get that move. All right, nice selling. Let's see if we could maintain, if sellers could maintain the dominance. We heading into this anchored VWAP here from the support buy after the buying climax. Let's see if they jump in here again around yesterday's high. Yep, we start moving back up. I have a little latency there because I stopped out somewhere around here. It still took time for me to stop out here. So what I might have to start doing is drag down the limit order, stop order to where I want to stop out. That should take care of that. All right, let's see what we're doing here again. It's looking like sellers taking control again. Let's see. Nope. All right, there's my sellers. We have heavy liquidity trying to cap price, but usually the algos come back and tag that. So let's see if sellers could establish dominance here. Right, I want to stop out just above that liquidity. That liquidity pulled right there. So let me move my stop down. Right above the structure, I want to stop out right there. If you pull back, I want to stop out. All right. All right, sellers taking control. I want to stop out above this liquidity right here. I'm above this order. And my target, I want it to come back down here. Hold on. Buyer's still messing up my trade. I'll come down one further, one tick further. I want to stop out if we tag this. If we get above this, I want to stop out. All right, they should take control here. I want to stop out if we come above this level. I really don't like this price action right now. One thing about my trades, they're supposed to work out kind of immediately. So this bouncing around here, I'm gonna just stop out, right? So yeah, trying to catch this black sun strategy around this Camarilla artery here. We have this auction going on here. I don't really like the auction. Algos keep pushing back up on my trade entry. Not really feeling that. Yeah, stuff like this here. After we get selling dominance, sellers taking control, we always getting this rotation back up. So that's signaling buyers inside there. So let me just Let me just pull back here and see what I'm looking at here. You have a push up, a pull back, retest, some lower points of supply. Let's see, we're getting a breakdown of this structure right here. Sellers taking control or not. We have some exhaustion right there. All right, late entry, but let's see. All right, extended my take profit to 56.82. And let's see if we could get that move. Those algos like to retest up here, man. They see how they keep pushing back price back up to retest these levels. And I already have a late entry, so hopefully they don't tag me here. Want to see sellers take control again, push price below 56.92.75. We have this, I anchored this from this buying climax previously. So that's a VWAP from the buying climax. So buyers are buying at this level here. These algos like to do that kind of stuff, you know, have their average from the big volume that came in and they buy again. So they are buying again. So I'm at risk for getting stopped out here on this trade. Let's see if they are just manipulating price to come back to this VWAP, this anchored VWAP to buy some more, or if we really getting sellers here. Right, so we have heavy volume, not really pushing down too much. We need more sellers here. Breakdown 52.99, 56.92.75. Looking like we're getting buyers here again. Looking like sellers are fighting it. Sellers fighting to take control. Iceberg stepping in. All right, sellers taking control. We have this buying climax VWAP coming down to that now. Let's see what we do here. 56.89.50. All right, we have a move. All right, looking like we're pushing through. Sellers in control, stepping on those iceberg buyers. And I'm gonna step out here. This little buying right here, this could be the reversal at this buying climax VWAP. So I'm gonna step out right there because we have the volume coming in, we have the absorption and the iceberg stepping in, and they're not pushing down further. We're not getting the continuation I'm looking for. So a little scalp there, I guess, from let's see, from 56.96.25 to a whopping 56.88.75. So we're gonna get the continuation now. I guess it just retested that VWAP right there, but this is good profit for the day on this eval. So I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna take that. All right, let me just go over the setup real quick. Let's see here. Right, so I'm looking at this here as the buying climax at around 56.86. It's in line with the weekly Camarilla R3 and central pivot right here. Right, we get the automatic reaction. So I anchored a VWAP from here, that's this one, right? And I also at the automatic reaction, which is down here, I anchored that VWAP to gauge when we break the uptrust, right? So let's go up here. So when we push up now, I'm looking for the uptrust. This could be the uptrust right here. We have the heavy volume going in. It's a Camarilla R3. We get the pullbacks. We start getting the lower points of supply, right? Lower point of supply here, here, and we start curving to the downside here. So I was expecting it, or I want my trades to work out a little quicker than this, right? So all this back and forth here, didn't really want to stay in the trade, so took the trade here, entered kind of late. I think I have some delays on when I'm hitting this sell button here, so I might have to switch over to doing some limit orders. So I wanted to enter right here at 56.9825. I entered at 56.9625, so that's a whole 2 points lower, right? So the first entry was, no, actually, yeah, that stopped out. So entered here short in anticipation of the breakdown of this VWAP that's anchored from the automatic reaction, right? Got the retest of where sellers took control. Let me just use this. Right, so sell entry, retest of where sellers took control, broke down the VWAP, selling push down until I exited right here at the buying climax VWAP. Right, so let me just open that up. Right, so as we came down to this anchored VWAP right here, this buying climax VWAP, came down here, got some heavy volume. I didn't get the follow through I was looking for. So as soon as it started to push back up, I just exited the trade right there. And this stuff is blocking it. Hold on. No, here it is. Right. So that's the exit right there. So as soon as we got this selling right here, looking for follow through, this bubble here kind of stalled out. We started to pull back, so I stopped out right there. So I was anticipating probably a reversal back above here because buyers are going to come in from this buying climax on VWAP level. So just opted out of the trade right there. And that's it, man. So it's what is it again? 56.9625 to 56.8875, right? So decent little trade, nothing too crazy. All right, y'all. So it's MELEK Shelemoth. Today was kind of stressful, man, with the price action and stuff. You could probably hear it in my voice. I'm already tired of this right now. You know what I'm saying? So that was my trade recap, and we'll be back tomorrow, man. All right, y'all. Shalom.